Ready for a farm adventure? Hop in with Ratna's baby puzzle, Farm Animals. Four adorable farm friends are waiting to be discovered. Can you find the rabbit? What about the cow? Maybe the sheep? Or the horse? Piece by piece, each challenge builds confidence and problem-solving skills. Every completed puzzle is a reason to smile and celebrate. From 3 to 6 pieces, every puzzle grows with your little learner. Ratna's baby puzzle, Farm Animals. Play, learn, grow. For more fun, follow Ratna's.